Hello, children. I am number 18. 1, 8. Together make 18.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 18. This is number 18. 1 and 8 together make 18. It comes after 17 and before 19. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yes, there are 18 butterflies. Very good, children. Hello, I am coriander. My green leaves add taste and smell to food.
Hi, I am cabbage. I have many leafy layers and keep you healthy. Hello friends, I am spinach. I am full of iron and help you grow strong. Hi, I am lettuce. My fresh green leaves are used in salads.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables are plants whose leaves we eat. Coriander, cabbage, spinach, and lettuce are leafy vegetables. They are green, healthy, and help us stay strong. So remember, we eat the leaves, so they are called leafy vegetables. Very good, children. Hello.
Hello, children. I am the letter H. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with H.
Hello, children. I am a horse. I am strong and fast. I help people travel.
Hello, children.
I am a hen.
I give you eggs.
Hello, children. I am a hammer. I help fix things.
Hello, children. I am a hat. I keep your head safe.
Hello children, I am a hippo. I am big and love water.
Hello, children. I am a house. I keep you safe and cozy.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about letter H. Children, look at the pictures on the page which are surrounded by letter H. We can see horse, hen, hammer, hat, hippo, and house. All these words start with the letter H. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am a semicircle. I am half of a circle. I have one curved side and one straight side. You can see me in rainbows, bridges, and some windows.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about a new shape. Semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. It has one curved side and one straight side. We can see semicircle shapes in many things around us, like a rainbow, some windows, and bridges. So remember, children, a semicircle is half of a circle. Great job, children.
Hello, I am cucumber. I grow on a plant and keep you cool and fresh.
Hi, I am capsicum. I grow on a plant and come in many colors.
Hello, I am cauliflower. I grow on a plant and look like a white flower.
Hi, friends. I am pumpkin. I grow on a vine and I am big and healthy.
Hello, I am bottle gourd. I grow on a vine and help you stay healthy.
Hi, I am tomato. I grow on a plant and add taste to your food.
Hello, I am bitter gourd. I grow on a vine and keep you strong.
Hi, I am ladyfinger. I grow on a plant and make you smart and healthy. Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about vegetables that grow on plants. These vegetables grow above the ground on plants or vines. Examples are cucumber, capsicum, cauliflower, pumpkin, bottle gourd, tomato, bitter gourd, and ladyfinger. They are healthy and good for our body. So remember, these vegetables grow on plants, not under the soil. Very good, children.
Hello.
Hello, I am watermelon. I am big, juicy, and keep you cool.
Hi, I'm orange. I'm sweet, juicy, and full of vitamin C. Hello, I am apple. Eating me every day keeps you healthy.
Hi, I am pineapple. I am juicy and a little tangy. Hello, we are grapes. We grow in bunches and taste sweet. Hi, I am cherry. I'm small, red and very tasty. Hello, I'm guava. I'm healthy and full of seeds.
Hi, I'm pear. I'm soft, sweet and juicy. Hello, I am papaya. I help your stomach stay healthy.
Hi, I'm mango. I'm the king of fruits and very sweet.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about fruits. Fruits grow on plants and trees and they are very healthy. They give us vitamins, energy and help us stay strong. Fruits like watermelon, orange, apple, pineapple, grapes, cherry, guava, pear, papaya and mango. So remember, fruits are tasty and good for our health.
Hello, children. I am number 19. 1 9 together make number 19.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 19. This is number 19. 1 and 9 together make 19. It comes after 18 and before 20. Let's count the pictures and learn this number together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, there are 19 spinning top toys. Very good, children. See you in the next.
Hello, I'm strawberry. I'm red, sweet and very tasty.
Hi, I'm chiku. I'm soft, sweet and healthy.
Hello, I'm plum. I'm juicy and a little tangy.
Hi, I am kiwi. I am green inside and full of vitamins.
Hello, I am banana. I give you energy and help you grow strong. Hi, I'm sweet lime. I'm juicy and keep you fresh.
Hello, I am pomegranate. I have many red seeds and keep you healthy.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about more fruits. Fruits are healthy and give us vitamins and energy. Fruits we like to eat are strawberry, chiku, plum, kiwi, banana, sweet lime and pomegranate. They keep us strong and healthy. So remember, eat fruits daily to stay fit and happy. Very good, children. See you.
Hello, children. I am the letter I. I have many friends on this page. All their names start with I. Hello, children. I am India. I'm a beautiful country. My name starts with the letter I.
Hello, children. I am an Indian. I wear traditional clothes. Hello, children. I am an invitation. I invite you to parties and celebrations. Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about letter I. Look at the pictures placed near the letter I. This is India map. This is an Indian lady. This is an invitation. All these words start with the letter I. Very good.
Hello, children. I am a plant. I have different parts. Roots,
Stem,
leaves,
flower.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about plants, their parts, and the plant life cycle. First, look at the plant. It has different parts. Roots grow under the soil and take water. Stem keeps the plant standing tall. Leaves make food with sunlight. Flower helps the plant make seeds. Now let's see the plant life cycle. A plant starts from a seed. The seed grows into a small plant seedling. Then it becomes a big plant. The plant grows flowers and fruits which give new seeds. And the cycle starts again. So children, plants grow step by step just like us. We should care for them every day. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. Look at me. When I'm inside the house, we say I'm in. When I come outside the house, we say I'm out.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about in and out concept. Look at this picture carefully. See the dog in the house? When something is inside, we say in. Now look, the dog comes outside the house. When something is outside, we say out. So remember, children, in means inside, out means outside. Let's see one more example. See this ball. When the ball is inside the box, we say it is in. When the ball comes outside the box, we say it is out. Very good, children. See you.